Hello my dear friends, how are you today? I'm working on the T-34 from Miniart. Look at this craziness. So I'm adding these things. But what I'm doing is I'm just sort of installing it one step at a time. So yeah, they're sort of like this. These are for the other ones here. But these ones from the back are longer, and you just fold them to get that sort of look there, and then you fold the top parts around that part there. And then what I do is just glue the barrel on, the fuel barrel, and just wrap it around. There's also a little photo etch hook there that you glue on. It's really cool. It's a little cool little model. Like, look at this thing. It's like glowing gold. Look, a little daddy long legs turned up. He's a big one. They're usually a lot smaller than that, but I like them around. He'll keep the other spiders under control. They're good spiders, daddy long legs. And I'll quickly show you the Africa Core crew. I've been inside all day just working on models, so I'm a bit out of it, I suppose. See, they're starting to look pretty cool. I've been working on this one a lot. You see, I've put some insignia on him, so I've made him a senior lieutenant. And that fella there is going to just be a lieutenant. He's coming along well. So I've put the second shade of skin tone on him as well. You see, this guy's a little bit darker than him. And I'll be adding a few more tones. I also want to start to highlight that jacket because it's such a nice jacket. And he's got some goggles underneath his head, around his neck. Got to try and do that, but I also made his boots brown at the bottom, which looks really nice. I like that. And they are nice shoes. They're just, it's really nice. He's wearing really nice clothes. It's a really nice model. I'm really going to enjoy this. I haven't enjoyed Rommel so much. It's not working out so much with Rommel. But with the rest of the crew, I'm having heaps of fun. The colours are great. They work really well together. With this guy, them also, I've sort of got them all to a point where they've got most of their base tones down. Most of them, you know what I mean. And we'll start bringing out the highlights and we'll start doing all that. Getting more layers down on the skin tones. I'm going to make them quite, you know, sort of tanned, but Rommel, I want to make more pale skinned, like he's been in an office. But these guys are out in the desert all the time. Funny look on his face, that one. Yeah, weird look. I was thinking about maybe making his top light blue, but I'm going to go with that. I'll just give his shirt some buff, I reckon. And with the binoculars, I reckon he'll be fine. Anyway, that's just a quick look at how they're going. With Rommel's hat, I did a base of, on the bottom I did hull red, Tamiya's hull red I think it is. And at the top I did a citadel colour. It's like this really ashen grey or something. And I found it in my collection. I thought I'll try that, and it looks quite nice. But I'm going to try and do something with his jacket. It needs to be darkened up, I think. Anyway, I'll speak to you again soon. And if you have time today, do a model.